All my fans as the hall. Some group of boys don't gang up together. Post speed for Akwa Okuko face. Yes, they talk say now the picture in see now. Say the men photo they come. He say make it wait for now. They cover face. Me no be like say I too talk. Me no be like say I they make months. Watch the video. May you share them.
Akwa Okuko. Listen to me carefully. I thought that you are a reasonable person. Now I know that you're an idiot. I listened to your video and I discovered that you know nothing. You're just making noise. I recorded the video where you say, Ode she this, Ode she that. Who tell you that Ode she exist? You get lost, say they no bullet you for die, Sarah.
For you tap up and getting. But if you live though, if you know what she broke away, what you do? She broke away, what you do? This shows a boom where wait till you get when you look a man and everywhere you go. Yeah, one bottle, the German kanga. When you blame not Balagan, the mile, not a bumble, or even could you have some of the wear.
You record anyone? Guys, Africa, why we are so stupid? When you go do bulletproof to protect yourself, and you're here fooling people that you do a dish. How can noise be faster than light? Light is faster than noise, therefore, there's nothing you can do about it. Why are you fooling yourself? They are still coming for you. They will come for you again. The boys will scam all over, think that is your right. They will still come for you. And that time, you will know what you do to yourself. Yeah, I know they laugh. My laugh look too horror, and my face is too ugly. Let me tell you one thing, Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki. You fooling the people, collecting their money, and scamming them. Akwa Okuko. You are a liar. You are a fake native doctor. I told you, I made a video, people doubted me. Say you are a fake native doctor. Now you are nyash, breeze blow, fan nyash open. See, let me tell you one thing. Nobody can cheat nature. No matter how birds fly past from air, we must see him stomach belly. See, I'll be telling people that Akwa Okuko have no even basic talk less of paracetamol. People doubted me. They say lie. He's a native doctor because people are using you. People like Okuko are promoting you. They are doing you in Makwanyabo. They think that you have money. You are the one making.
They don't even get tagged for their uniform. They don't get tagged for uniform. They don't even kill anybody for you. They won't kill. I love it. Family by. I don't have a dirty job. Not killing. No. What happened to Yahweh? I want to take the number of the motor. What happened to man? You don't get no number. No number. Kidnapper anyone. Go see number I want to. No number for their motor. Their motor don't get number. Kidnapper and motor don't get number. Which kind of motor be this? Anybody can paint motor. They don't get number now. One new number. Kidnapper and kidnapper anyone. Now kidnapper motor. They don't get number. Why government motor no go get number? Kidnapper and only anyone. They cover their face. Open your face, don't see your face. What to mask wa? What to mask wa? What to mask wa? Nisa. Ole la ele na. Kidnapper na ele. Ele lo. Wetin na dey find? Motor wey na uncle cash no get number. What to mask wa be arm robber?
Akwa Okuko, if God help you, bring you come back, I beg. try give your life back to Jesus. Now only Jesus go fit save you from any enemy where they plan you. Life na super story. They kidnap this man. Everybody they judge and they talk different type of things. Yes, we know. When things happen, now people they see opportunity to they talk to person. But no forget, whatever any man sow on earth, he or she will rebound. And don't forget, you fit kidnap person today, collect money, collect or kill the person. Tomorrow, they go see kidnap you, then they go kill you. Because even Bible talk any man who kill by the sword will die by the sword. To anybody where they plan to even kidnap, to go rob, to do different type of business, one day, all of us go face Allah and you go answer the question according to the good work and the bad work where you do for this earth. I rest my case. I don't come here to motivate anybody, and I come here to tell you, say, give your life to Christ. Yes, if you be native doctor, give your life to Jesus. Because not only God go fit give you sign where be say if enemy plan evil against you, no be your juju. May all the juju for Nigeria, may they get out. Now inside this country today, person say, now my turn, juju no fit fight am. Juju no fit go there. Remove the person, throw away for bush. No, I know they deceive us for this country with juju. No, you only juju will now know how to do. Now to kill your brother, kill your family member, destroy the person life. Me they drink alcohol for streets, they waka. Mad people, may God punish all of them for this country. Owner and politicians, they no different. Native doctor and politician, there's no different. Mad people.